Om Shanti, 15th June 2020. In today's Bab Dada's Sakar Murli, Shiv Baba has talked about the signs of children who are aware of returning home. Shiv Baba said that if you have the awareness of the construction of your new house, then you won't be remembering the previous house or the old house. Similarly, if you have the firm faith and understanding that the new world is created, or we are creating the new world, or there is this destiny of the creation of the new world, so we would be forgetting the old world. The foremost sign that we'll be having is the absence of memories of this old world. We won't be attentive towards this old belief systems or the way of living that people have in Kali Yuga. Shiv Baba said that you should remember your home. You listen to so many things, you have so much knowledge around, but it's important to keep those things in your awareness, attention or consciousness. Shiv Baba says that remembering me is absolutely not dependent on age. Whether someone is old or young, one can easily remember Bap Dada. There is no foundation of the age of this body, and that's why we have the idols of both the categories, that is Brahma Baba of age 60 and Mama of young age of approximately 18 to 20 years. Shiv Baba said, like in every day's Murli, Shiv Baba says that every soul will be residing in peace, that is the land of peace, Shantidham. Whereas you children will there be in Sukhdam after getting yourself 100% complete by remembering the Father. As very little time is remaining, natural calamities will there be at its extreme. There would be so many different ways of destruction. Like Shiv Baba said that brother can kill a brother just for the sake of inheritance or money. And that's why Shiv Baba is asking to forget this world, because he is absolutely telling that in this cycle of 84 births, you are here at the final birth. And after that, you have to create absolutely new part. Shiv Baba said that when you renounce the consciousness of I and mine, then only you can be a true renunciator and can experience equality and perfection by finishing the consciousness of I and mine. So when I consider myself to be this body, then only things related to this body will there be in the consciousness. As long as I'm not remembering myself as body, so anything that belongs to this body, like nature, my nature, my thought process, my family, my materialistic item, my position, etc. So all of that will get away from the consciousness. And how is it going to help us? We won't be creating so many thoughts regarding all the destructive items. Instead, we'll be focusing on enhancing our behavior and our sanskars. Shiv Baba also said that if you play the part of Haji, that is, yes indeed, and definitely extend the hand of cooperation, that means you're wearing the garland of blessings. Cooperation only by truth. There should not be any cooperation with a sense of vices in the mind, because more often than not we confuse lie with yukti. Yukti, which means the technique through which we can get our task done, but indeed it is not right. So Dadi Janki used to say that when you feel heavy for something, then that means you're doing something wrong. The heart will tell you whether this is a lie or an yukti. So this has to be made clear in the mind. Shiv Baba also talked about the torrential rainfall. Like people are thinking that there should be artificial rain through which the crops can enhance. But he is clearly saying that flood has to take place. There will be so much raining that everything is going to get drained. Natural calamities will there be at its peak. Although on the path of devotion, people have so much things like they go to temples and sing praise of Ram and Narayan, but instead they don't know what exactly Ram and Narayan are. Shiv Baba also said that you are a student. Even Brahma Baba is a student. However, Shiv Baba is entering in Brahma Baba, but he himself is a student. And the most important proof of Shiv Baba being the God is the transformation that we have in our lives, and the power through which we can transform the lives of others, even if it is the worst condition, that of a destruction. There are so many universities and institutions which are helping people to change their habits, their lifestyle, etc. But no one can teach the strength to face or, tolerate anything with a smile when this world is almost at the verge of destruction. We hardly see, or in fact, we cannot have an institution which can give strength in someone, the 100% strength. Knowledge is one thing, giving knowledge is one thing, but giving 100% strength to face situation like departure of the near and dear ones. Like Shiv Baba said that you should not have attachment to anything related to this world, and thereby be in the supersensuous joy, that is Atindriya Sukh, so that your happiness is not dependent on anything. And Shiv Baba said that keep checking that whether I caused sorrow to someone today or not. That is, keep a check on your habits, on your karma, etc. And therefore, you will reach to your home Shanti Dham according to the drama plan. Om Shanti.